Hello, cute children. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a candy corn. So we have to make a shape. Okay. So I will start from here, and be careful. Go upside, and it's little bit round, and come down, 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 down. Stop. Okay. My beautiful children, it's okay. And now I have to make a round, and we have to meet these 2 points. So yep, it's looking very, 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 very beautiful. So now we have to what we are missing. Okay, smiley face. Yep, we have to draw a circle. This is for one eye, and we have to draw parallel of the other. This is the other. Okay, so now it's 1 2 and 1 2. Okay, we have to leave the 2 white, and we have to fill the remaining part. Okay, so good. So now I have to draw the smiley face inside. Yupo. So children's, now it's time to make a color. So first of all, I have chosen this pink color first of all, and I have to make a here partition. Okay, one, and the other one is here. Yup. So I have chosen these 2 colors, blue and pink, and you can choose on your own choice. So I meet you after color. So children, our candy corn is ready. So this is the thing is that I have chosen these 2 colors. You can choose your own choice. So but when you see I'm making fast, you can stop the video, pause the video, and you can complete your drawing, and then you can again resume the video. So this is the thing I want to say you, and the main thing is that please enjoy while drawing. So this is my main view. So I hope you will be fine, and we meet in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. So be careful until the next video. We meet in next video. Bye bye.